Alright guys, so we got a blank SC1 key, Schlage keyway. Then we got a Baldwin lock right here. Put the key, obviously it doesn't turn because there's no cuts on it. We're gonna put this right here for now. And we're gonna put it on the punch machine. And we're gonna punch in the numbers. 1, got 2, 3, 6, 5 numbers, release. There goes the key cuts. There goes the cylinder. Bingo. So this is the Schlage Punch machine. Here's the lock. Here's the keys already pre-cut. Just cut them. And this is the machine right here. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.